Time to debut our latest Camera Hub G3... Hold on, my fault. Introducing our G350,
the world's first Matter camera certified,
now with dual eyes, double division.
4K matches 2K with up to 9 times zoom.
You get optical clarity up to 3 times and a height rate of 9 times zoom. Better details than ever. Want to see what's really in your kid's drawing? Zoom in, closer. Turn the zoom dial or just drag a box. The camera takes you there for you.
Need it larger? Just spread your fingers. It can turn to anywhere and auto-follow. Crawling, running, exploring, no matter where they go. Even when they left the frame, it can resume tracking when objects back.
If target is lost completely, it finds its way back. Not just following, it keeps every important moment perfectly framed.
And it follows the target naturally, zooming like a real camera person.
Hey Connie, time to feed Rocky. Hey Connie, time to feed Rocky.
Can I play 5 more minutes?
Deal, but Rocky goes first.
Enjoy clear, bright, two-way dialogue within 5 meters.
Is this one?
That's it. With clear audio pickup up to 8 meters. You can even set your own patrol route, up to 30 preset angles, easy navigation of the areas you care about most. Even in total darkness, it keeps an eye on everything with 20/20 vision. You see the whole picture, be it hungry kids or furry friends dynamics. Tap anywhere. The camera jumps there. Never miss a happy moment. It's smart enough to recognize every smile. Local AI identifies people, pets, faces, and even alerts you if the lens is blocked. It also listens, from crying to coughing, from barking to loud noise. It's not just security, it's interaction that opens up a world of possibilities. Control your device or scene using your favorite gesture and wow your friends then. And when you want privacy, you get real privacy. The camera physically closes its lens, a clear, visual signal that everything is shut down.
It works beautifully with the smart home you already have. HomeKit Secure Video, Google, Alexa, SmartThings, Home Assistant, and so on.
It can connect third-party Matter devices into Aqara Home for unified, future-ready control and bridge your Aqara Zigbee devices to major Matter ecosystems. Record 24/7 to a secured 512 GB micro SD card. Back up to NAS or get our Home Guardian subscription for up to 90 days cloud storage. Reach notification with snapshot, etc. Meet Aqara's flagship indoor camera G350. 4K pan-tilt zoom, power-packed with more features than ever.
Aqara, continuous connection.